stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. O'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
All drivers.
Thank you so much.
All drivers, I want to meet with everybody out in the back. Fired up, get out back. We'll have a big group and then we'll go after it. If they start.
This is our outdoor club. Let's get our race on. Race the 22nd of October, 2011. And we have an awesome turnout once again. Including a couple guys from out of town. Drove about 6 hours to get here. Over to the pits.